The Bingo Cash iPhone app has continued receiving updates in 2026, including version 13.80, so if the update button is missing from your App Store, the problem is usually with the App Store refresh rather than Bingo Cash itself. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to check when a Bingo Cash update isn't showing on your iPhone. First, open the App Store and search for YBingo Cash, win real money. Make sure you're looking at the Papaya Gaming app, because there are multiple apps using the Bingo Cash name. The official Papaya version is listed for iPhone and iPad under the Appy Apps App Store listing. If you see Open In, instead of Update, pull down on the App Store page to refresh it. Then close the App Store completely, reopen it, and search for Bingo Cash again. If the update still doesn't appear, check your iPhone's available storage under BWage Settings, General, iPhone Storage. A nearly full device can prevent an app from updating normally. Next, check whether your iPhone itself has a pending iOS update. Go to EAG, General, Software Updating, and install any available update that your device supports. Then return to the App Store and check Bingo Cash again. There's another thing to check: your App Store account and region. App availability can differ by country, and the Bingo Cash listing specifically describes certain payment features as being available only in the United States. If the app is already installed but still behaves as though it needs an update, don't immediately delete it. Bingo Cash's official support says that updating the game should preserve your account, progress, and balance. If none of those steps work, contact Bingo Cash support rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. The official support page provides the support contact for account and game assistance. So the fix is simple. Confirm you have the correct Bingo Cash app, refresh the App Store, check storage and iOS updates, then verify your App Store region. The key point is that a missing update button does not necessarily mean Bingo Cash has stopped releasing updates. Start by searching the exact Papaya Gaming listing in the App Store and refreshing that page. If this fixed the missing update, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.